Yeah, depending on the purpose the keyboards are being used, the number of keys on the keyboard will be differing. Usually we'll be having 101 keys to 105. Okay, so that is the number of keys that will be available on a keyboard. Okay, there are different types of keyboards available in the market that we can use it for different purpose. So we are going to see different types of keyboards. Different types of keyboards are wireless keyboard, compact keyboard, virtual keyboard, braille keyboard. Okay, wireless keyboard is nothing but, I'll show you its image. A wireless keyboard looks like this. Uh, Not the same always. It will be in different designs depending on the manufacturers. As I'm telling, this is a wireless keyboard. This will not have a wire to fix to your computer, but it will be having a Bluetooth device. Usually, a wireless means we'll be using a Bluetooth keyboard only. There will be a Bluetooth device like this that we have to connect like a pen drive to our laptop or to our CPU, normal desktop computers. If we connect this device to our computer always, using this keyboard can be movable at any place. Wherever you can sit, you can work using this keyboard as it is wireless. Okay, so this is wire will be not there, we'll be using a Bluetooth device. This is also called as Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, yeah, this is what wireless keyboard is. And next comes compact keyboard. Compact keyboards are nothing but the size will be smaller than the normal keyboard. Normal keyboard looks like this, but the compact keyboard's size will be less. Okay, this is a compact keyboard. Even a phone having a keyboard, keypads, it is also called as compact keyboard. Okay, if you have a button phone, key phone, and where you can see a keyboard like this. Okay, so these kind of keyboards will be available only some particular companies of phones, not in all the phones. Okay, so this is a compact keyboard. Even this is a example for compact keyboard. Here you can see there is no number pad separately, as we usually see in our keyboards, which is connected to the desktop. See, at the right side of the keyboard you can see a separate numeric pad. That numeric pad will not be available here in the compact keyboard. The numbers will be given in the first row. Okay, so separate, to reduce the size of the keyboard, they have removed that number pad. Okay, numerical pad. Fine. Yeah, this is what compact keyboard is. Next, next type of keyboard is virtual keyboard. Let me tell you the meaning of the word virtual first. The meaning of the word virtual is something you can see that will not be a realistic one. If you think the thing is there, you can't touch it. You can see it, but you can't touch it. Actually, it looks like there is a original thing in front of you, but originally it will not be there physically. Physically, it will be not present. Okay, so that is called virtual. The mean even your gaming environment is a virtual environment. That means whatever games you play, it can be, let me take the example of PUBG. Those environments will not be there actually, but you are watching it and you are going through it, right? So you are feeling it as an actual environment. So that is virtual. That makes you to think that it is original, but physically it will not be present. So that is the meaning of virtual. So even virtual keyboard, I'll give you a live example here. For every computer, see, I have a virtual keyboard on my computer. See, this is my virtual keyboard. Physically I can't touch it, but I can use its keys using my mouse. Okay, So this is virtual. This is not physical keyboard I have in my hands. This is a virtual keyboard created by the software. Okay, something that is created by a software, it is called as virtual. Even all your phones, even your Android phones, whenever you type something, you touch on a keyboard, right? You type the letters on a keyboard that comes on your phone. That is also a virtual keyboard. Okay, you can't physically have it in your hands, but it is created by some software that allows you to use the function of a keyboard. So that is nothing but virtual keyboard. Next type of keyboard is braille keyboard. I think you people know that for blind people there is some language they used to learn. It is called as braille language. Braille language, as they are blind, they can't see the keys and they can press the keys while they touch the keys with their hands using these dots, as you can see on the keys, these specifies some numbers. For example, for 7, the dots will be like this. If the blinds, whoever have learnt braille language, if they touch on these dots, they will come to know that it is 7. Same way for another, these designs changes differs from number to number. Okay, so the pattern will be differing. You can see the dots, arrangements of dots is different for different numbers. So these dots can be understood by only the people who have learned braille language. Okay, so these are the keys which is made for blind people who knows braille language, and by touching the keys, these protruded dots, protruded means that bulges on a key, once they touch on it they will come to know that which key is that. Okay, so this is the keyboard separately designed for blind people. So it is called braille keyboard. So we have totally 4 types of keyboards, like wireless keyboard, compact keyboard, virtual keyboard, and braille keyboard. One more type of keyboard I would like to show you. It is laser keyboard. There will be a device kept here, and through this the laser will be passed that creates a pattern of keyboard on your flat surface. It can be a table or it can be floor, and it should be flat enough so that you can touch it. By touching it you can type. See, this device should be connected maybe through Bluetooth to your small device like phone, tabs, even a laptops. For anything you can, it can be connected. This device, whatever is kept here vertically, this should be connected. Your screen may be small. You just imagine that you need to type something big on your phone itself. That creates a difficulty when you type on a small screen. So if you want to type in a proper keyboard, you can use this laser keyboard, which gives you a image of keyboard on your flat surface. When you touch on it and if you type it, it will be typed on your screen also. This is one more type of keyboard called laser keyboard. Okay, it is also you can call this also as a virtual keyboard. Okay, actually it is not present, but you are using the keyboard. Okay, so let me move to next topic. It's next input device called mouse. You are familiar with the mouse as you are familiar with keyboard, right? These two are the main important input devices without which you can't work in the computers. So mouse is also a device. It is also a pointing device. As you can see the pointer that moving around the screen like this is because of the mouse. Okay, mouse is also a pointing device, right? It is made so that it can fit into your palm of your hand, and using mouse you can select, you can click, and you can drag, you can scroll. All these things can be done using mouse. And on the mouse you can see 2 buttons